Hi YouTube. I just wanted to share with you, I'm recovering slowly and I've moved myself into the living room now. I plonked up loads of things to make my sofa higher so I don't have pain when I sit down onto the sofa. And I was feeling in a happy mood, and because I'm back in my craft room now, so I just made this. It's a paper hanger. I mean, no, paper storage for new letters and things hanger. Like, because I'm making room for my pegboard to go there from IKEA. So I've moved the things over from there and put them here. These things keep me happy. And so this is just cardboard then wrapped in contact paper from the pound shop, which I collected for £1. And then you know when books are delivered they give you this notch, and then I sellotaped it at the bottom with clear packing tape, and it was already sealed from the sides, so I didn't need to worry about that. And then I got letters here that need dealing with, and then I just hooked this up because it's something pretty, I like it. And then this is some of my artwork from before that I've just moved the pegboards over and stuck them into there. And then that's how this is held into the wall with the pegboards. See, there's one under there, there and there, and one under there, like I said. And I might put some pockets there later to put something in there and in there. And as yet I haven't, and I hope you like it. Just with some hard work and contact paper and Amazon packaging. Oh, I had a heavy book delivered, and you know they do them slot type of massive delivery cardboard wraparound sleeve thing, and so that's what I've used. That's the back, and I'm so happy with it. I might make another one, and maybe I don't need a pegboard from IKEA. I have loads of these for storage just along this wall here, because sorry about my croaky voice. Now that I'm in my living room, which is now also my craft room, I just want to enjoy it again. You know, my things pretty gorgeous, and my products, and I just want to enjoy them. I don't want to spend my time resting about in my bed. I want to enjoy my life and my products and my family. Rate this if you like my idea, give me a thumbs up, make one yourself, subscribe to my channel, and enjoy your life and your products. Take care, see you, bye.